How to hide Snapchat score. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can hide the Snapchat score. So the Snapchat does not offer a direct way to hide your Snapchat score from other users. So your Snapchat score is visible to your friend and can be seen on your profile. However, here are some strategies you can use to manage your privacy and limit who can see your Snapchat score. First of all, you have to launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device, and you have to go to your profile icon. You have to tap on your profile icon, which is on the top left corner of the screen, and you can see the gear icon which is on the top right corner. To open the setting, just tap on that. Once you are here, you have to go for the manage privacy and setting here. So just go for the manage. Here you can see the manage option. Just go for the manage. So once you are here, you have to go for the who can contact me. So just go for the who can contact me, or you can search for the contact me option here. So if you find that, you have to select the my friend limit, who can send you a snap or who can see your history here. Who can see your history, you have to just go for the friends only. And who can see my location, you have to just go for your friends only here. So on the friend, just go for your friend here, and you have to choose the friend on your contact me. And you can regularly review your friend and remove any you do not want to share your activity with. Also, you can consider blocking or remove friend. If you have a specific individual whom you want to ensure that they do not see your Snapchat score, you have to tap your profile icon and navigate to your friend list and find the user you want to manage. And you have to tap on their profile. Just go and tap on their profile. Once you are here, just tap on the three dot menu, and you can find the manage friendship here and find the block or remove friend option, which will also maintain you to hide your Snapchat score from your friend. By adjusting your privacy setting and managing your friend list, you can control who interacts with you. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily hide the Snapchat score to your friend. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.